Before you begin working in PowerPoint, if you haven't already done so in lesson 1.1, be sure you have created a folder on your USB or hard drive called My PowerPoint Projects. Then you'll launch PowerPoint, and then from the Start screen, you'll select that blank presentation, and then from the File tab, you'll click File, and then click Save, and then click Browse. You'll see a folder, and then locate the folder named My PowerPoint Projects that you already saved, and then name that file 1.3 Elements of Good Slide Design, and then click Save. After that, you're going to key the title and subtitle into the content placeholders as shown in figure 1.3. So I've already done that here. These are the content placeholders right here and here. This is what you're going to key in here and here. And then in this lesson, you will also be required to select text. There's several different ways to select text. One way is to position the cursor at the beginning of the word, and then left click on the mouse, and then click and drag to the right to the end point of the text you want to select. You can also select a single word by double clicking on the word, 1, 2. To select an entire paragraph of text within a text box, you'll triple click within a paragraph of text. So 1, 2, 3. And then to select all of the text within a text box, you can also click inside the text box and then hold down the control key and then press A to select all. Control A. From the Home tab font group, right here, Home tab, this is the font group here. You are going to select the title from the font drop-down menu and change the font to Corbel. So I've already done that here. This is where you're going to change the font. This is where you're going to change the font size. So it's asking for this to be this font and this font size. So you're going to select the text and do that. And then from the Home tab Slides group right here, this is where you're going to insert new slides, and it's going to give you different layouts to choose from. For this lesson, most of the layouts are going to be title and content right here, but there is one that is going to be to content as the layout. So just be aware of that when you're adding slides. This is what it looks like when you go to add a slide. I've already done all of that, but this is where you're going to add your layouts and your new slides. In slide 2, you are going to be asked to select the title and change the font and the font size right here. And then you're also going to be asked to select the bulleted list below and change the font and the font size here as well. And then for slides 3 and 4, you're going to obviously key all of this text here. You're going to key all of this in the title, and then this bulleted list, same thing here. And then for 3 and 4, you're going to do the same thing, very similar to slide 2, where you're going to change the font of the title to what it's asking for here, and the size here. And then you're going to select the bulleted list and change the font here and the font size here. This is already done for you here. I've already changed all of this. So as I highlight it, you can see the edits that I've made here come up automatically. And then if I go to highlight this one, this is exactly what it is. And it will show you in the textbook as well, in your lesson book, exactly what to change those to. And then you're going to do the same thing for slide 5. You're going to do the same font for all of slide 5. The size of the font is going to be different for this here. It's going to be 54. And then the size of the font here is going to be 36. And then for slide 6, you are going to change the font to the same thing here, and then font size will be 54, and then you'll change the font of the bulleted list here as well, same thing, and then font size 36, and then that is it for lesson 1.3. And then you'll go to File. If you've already saved it, you don't have to click Save As. You can just click this little file icon to save it.